Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'd like to show you today how you can create a map from a file with Alex AI. So let's go to the Cemantica platform. Here we go. We're on the home page. We can go here on the left side, go into design, straight to journey map, and then hit new. And then you have the possibility here to generate a map with Alex. Let's see how it works. So basically here you can write a prompt, right? So let's write a prompt here, and then you can upload reference file. So you can upload a PDF, an Excel, a PowerPoint document, JPEG, or PNG. All right, so let's upload a reference file. Okay, I will take this one. All right, because it contains all the highlights that I think are relevant to build my journey. And next, you have to include the items that you would like Alex to create. So the touch point, the pain, gain, findings, opportunity, solution. Then you can ask Alex to generate the persona for you, or you can pick and choose, a persona that you have already created. And here's the template. In case you have your own organizational template, you can select one and Alex will follow the structure of your own template. All right, so now that we are set, so we take the Cemantica template. Let's go. Let's generate. So Alex basically here is creating the persona and the journey. It will take, a couple of minutes. Um, so the way he works, Alex has different sources. So first he will take your prompt, he will take the document and try, to understand what type of map it can build with the information you provided. But he will also take a look at all your environment and the different information that you have in your Cemantica environment. Then he will complete this information with all the data available out there, like trends, statistic, anything about the specific journey that you are asking for. And then the last source of Alex is the Cemantica methodology and template, because of course there's a lot of knowledge in terms of journey from Cemantica. So Alex is using the templates that we have created, so we are sure that the information that is building is relevant. All right, so now he has completed the task. So let's see the journey. Here we go. This is the journey completed. So you see that Alex has generated this complete journey, the memorial, discovery, and return journey. So Alex has created the persona here, and then you have the stages. You also have the phases here, stage description, image. Okay, I'm gonna close it as I go. Then he's created all the different touch points per stage of the journey, for this specific journey. Then he has created insights. So the pain points are here. He has generated some gain points and findings. Then also he has like the sentiment level of, your persona per stage of the journey that he has estimated. Then he estimated also some KPI that he thinks are relevant, for each stage of the journey. So you have quite a lot of KPI here. All right, let's close it. Then you have all the opportunities, right, that you think will be nice to consider. And then the solution, detailed solution, and what to do and how to do it. And then the different action. All right. And then of course, you can add more lanes. Here you can choose and add more lanes and information, and have more things that you would like to include inside your journey to complete it. All right, so pretty simple. You see, to build a journey with Alex, with a prompt, you can upload a file, and then Alex is doing the magic. All right. If you want to have more information about Cemantica and Alex AI, please go to our website, cemantica.com, or contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.